What if I tell you? Starting 2026 spiritually does not just mean waking up at 4 a.m., chanting for hours, or suddenly becoming detached from the world. What if spirituality in 2026 is not about escaping life, but about living it with awareness? If you have ever felt lost, anxious, stuck, or disconnected, even while doing everything right, this video is for you. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enter 2026 calmly, consciously, and spiritually without forcing anything. Before we talk about how to enter 2026 spiritually, let's clear one confusion. Spirituality is not a religion. It's not rituals. It does not want you to become someone else. Spirituality simply means understanding yourself deeply, responding to life consciously, not emotionally, and living with awareness, not autopilot. In 2025, many of us survived. In 2026, we don't just want to survive, we want clarity, peace, and direction, and spirituality is the foundation for that. The first spiritual step is not prayer, it's honesty with yourself. So, as the year begins, ask yourself these questions. What drained me in 2025? Where did I pretend to be okay when I clearly wasn't? What am I carrying that I should have let go? Sit with these questions. No judgments, no guilt. Spiritual growth starts when you stop lying to yourself. You don't need answers immediately. You just need the truth. Most people start the new year by adding new goals, new habits, and new resolutions. But spirituality works the opposite way. Before adding new things to 2026, remove what no longer serves you. Old grudges, constant comparison, the need for validation, and overthinking of every decision. Letting go is not a weakness, it is inner strength. A peaceful mind is more powerful than a busy one. You don't need a complicated routine. Choose one simple practice and stay consistent. It could be 5 minutes of sitting silently, writing one honest page in a journal, observing breath, or even reading one spiritual thought every day. Remember, consistency matters more than intensity. Spirituality is not built in one day. It is built in small, silent moments. Spirituality is not separate from daily life. It is in how you speak when you are angry, how you treat others when no one is watching, and how you react when things don't go your way. In 2026, try this simple shift. Respond, don't react. Pause before speaking, pause before judging, and pause before assuming. That pause itself is a spirituality. In 2026, success doesn't only mean more money, more followers, and more achievements. What spiritual success looks like is sleeping peacefully, feeling content with whatever you have, and then aspiring for more, knowing exactly who you are, and not losing yourself to prove something. Ask yourself, does this cost me my peace? If yes, please rethink it because no success is ever worth your inner chaos. One of the deepest spiritual lessons is acceptance. Not passive acceptance, but conscious acceptance. Life would never go as we plan it to be, and that's totally okay. Spiritual people don't control life, they trust it. Trust doesn't mean that everything would go perfect, it means that you believe that you can handle whatever comes. You can call it God, consciousness, universe, or inner self. Connection does not need language. Sometimes it is silence, sometimes it is gratitude, and sometimes it is just surrender. In 2026, don't ask life only what do I want. Ask what is life trying to teach me, and that question alone changes everything. Spirituality will not make you emotionless. You will still feel the pain, fear, and confusion. But the difference is, you won't be lost inside them. You would observe them, you would learn from them, and grow through them. And that, my dear friend, is the true spiritual strength. As 2026 begins, remember this. You do not need to become someone new. You need to return back to yourself. So start slow, start honestly, and start consciously. Spirituality is not about perfection. It is all about presence. If this video made you pause and reflect, comment awareness. And if you want more content like this, simple, deep, and real spirituality, subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who needs peace, not pressure. So let's walk into 2026 not rushed, not anxious, but aware.